Hey, plastic people. I'm here with more great Gaahleri news for you. As you know, back in the fall, after consulting with various customers and people that tried out the brushes that were supplied to us as trial examples from the Gaahleri Airbrush company, we committed to carrying the line. And over the Christmas season, we did very well with it. So now we've got, I think it's at least our third shipment of this product in, including our third resupply of our infamous GTS 06. That's the airbrush with the mini compressor, the quiet mini compressor, the hose, the gravity feed airbrush, everything you need to get started in airbrushing at a price point of about $111. That is fantastic. We are so excited about this one. Some other extra goodies we got this time. Now this, I will confess, you won't see it in the store. This was specially ordered for somebody. Somebody tried, if you buy Gaahleri products from us, you know we were giving away free Kaleido paint samples. Well, this person tried some of the Kaleido paint samples and he really liked, and he decided he wanted to go all in on the color series for the automotive topics. So he ordered the Master set, the Pro Master Series Auto Color Set. Look at this box it comes in. It's a plastic briefcase with a handle. I mean, I've seen the deluxe paint sets from Vallejo, and their cases and that are nothing like this. We open it up, and there it is. Everything safely on board. All your paints, primers, thinner, cleaner. So be looking forward to hearing what kind of good things he has to say about this. And this is a good example to let you know that we can order this stuff. You know, we haven't decided. We're still on the fence about whether we're going to carry it. We're looking at maybe getting some sets. I'm hearing really good things about their primers. Just to augment our airbrushes, this is the more basic. It's a step down from the Barbados Rex one that we got. That would be the trigger action, gravity feed, double action airbrush. Still has a lot of good features and stuff in it, but a little more affordable. Comes with a 0.38 and a 0.5 tip. So I'd say intermediate to large coverage on that particular unit. We've got more parts and pieces in. We got some that people ordered. We've got maintenance parts like various O-rings and stuff. We've got the spray nozzle, the wide spray nozzle for said Barbados Rex brush, which we're going to really let you hose the paint on. Perfect for car modelers. Of course, we got more. There's the male quick disconnects and the female quick disconnects. The pricing is amazing on this stuff. And of course, as most clones and other airbrushes are these days, they are Iwata compatible. So if you use Iwata equipment, you can use this stuff with it. You can use the hoses with it. Something entirely new for us. We have carried, these are spray out jars. So what happens is when you put your thinners and that into your airbrush to clean it out, you stick the nozzle into here, you blow out your thinners and that through it, and it all gets collected in this cleanable glass jar, and it's glass too. There's a little vent on the other side, and there's little filters that go in there, and they give you some number replacement ones, and the filters go in there to help protect from stuff coming out through the vent holes, because obviously when you blow air in, it's got to come out somewhere. Not only do you get that, oh, did I mention it's got a little airbrush stand that goes on there, solid metal, so you can just sit your airbrush right on there and go. It also comes with a set of cleaning brushes, that you can ream out the insides of various parts of the brush when you're cleaning it. And I love this little metal sheathed reamer. I don't know if you can see it on there, but a reamer is a very fine, sharp, pointy object. There's times when you got to get those little tips cleaned out, and there's the air holes in the heads that sometimes clog up. This is what you use to clean those out. With a delicate touch, of course. Don't go cramming it in there. You'll wreck. It'll be on our website. You can check it out as soon as we get it posted up there. But I'm really excited to get these, especially being glass. You can spray pretty much anything you want into that, and it's not going to affect. So fueled by Gaahleri Airbrush, it is the Hobby Center's mission to get everybody we can airbrushing. It's never been a better time to start airbrushing. It's never been more affordable, more accessible, and we want to make it our mission to get you the affordable product and equip you with the knowledge and the confidence to use it effectively. We'll be putting more informational videos, and I think we've got some information videos coming up about hands-on airbrush interactive classes that will be operating here. And of course, we will be featuring Gaahleri products. So that's today's exciting lot of stuff. We just get more and more excited about the Gaahleri line. Watch for this stuff to be up on our website probably later today, if not tomorrow. And we look forward to you coming in and having a chat with us about Gaahleri and the stuff they make. We have one of these GTS 06s open that we can show you. And we also have their Point 2, which is their ultra fine airbrush. You can also have a look at that. We look forward to serving you on these. And don't forget, your next great build starts right here.